Hello，大家好。今日呢段片咧，想同大家去重溫翻一個 DSE Grammar 裏邊嘅一個基本嘅 concept，就係 conjunction。咁啊，咩係 conjunction 咧？其實 conjunction 嘅中文咧係指緊呢一啲連接詞嚟嘅，佢係 parts of speech 嘅其中一種啦。咁其實連接詞嘅功能係做咩咧？簡單啲嚟講咧，其實就係用嚟連接兩個有關聯句子嘅一種詞語嚟嘅。咁你可能話英文啲句子裏邊有啲咩關聯啊？即係點樣先叫有關聯啊？其實簡單啲嚟講咧，今日講呢個 basic conjunctions 嗰陣時咧，就會同大家介紹三種句子之間可以有嘅關係啦。第一種咧就係因果關係啦，第二種咧就係表示一啲相反啊或者轉接嘅關係啦。咁第三種咧就係一種時間連接啦，或者一啲講緊一啲次序嘅嘢。咁同樣啦，呢段片咧會分成三個部分嘅。OK，咁啊，第一個部分嚟講咧，就會同大家講講一個因果關係嘅一啲連接詞。咁其實關於因果關係嘅連接詞咧，最主要嚟講咧就係用 because、since 或者 as 啦。咁其實全部咧都係指緊呢個因為咯，係啦，即係如果你用 because、since、as 嘅話咧，就去表示因為乜乜乜乜咁樣。咁呢三款啦，如果你話全部都係表示因為嘅話，咁究竟有啲咩唔同啊？咁其實咧喺語氣上面係有少少唔同嘅。because 嘅話咧係比較直接啦，而 since 同埋 as 咧就比較書面啦，同埋冇咁直接嘅其實。咁啊，例子嚟講啊，例子嚟講咧，第一個咧就係話 I stayed home because it was raining，即係我留咗喺屋企，因為出邊落雨啦。咁另一款咧就係 Since you are here, let's start the meeting。既然你都嚟咗啦，我哋不如開會啦咁樣。咁啊，呢個係都係講緊一個因果關係啦，即係因為你到咗啦，所以不如我哋開始啦咁樣。咁另一種就係話 I was absent yesterday as I was sick。咁其實咧，呢度嚟講咧就係因為我病啦，所以冇辦法出席啦。咁 as 咧，其實咧 as 同 since 咧，因為比較書面啦，其實咧。通常嚟講咧，如果你用 since 或者 as 嘅話咧，擺喺句子中間嘅時候咧，係會有個 comma 跟住佢嘅，即係你見到佢呢第三個例子呢度話 I was absent yesterday，comma，然之後 as I was sick，since 都係㗎，你都會話 I was absent yesterday，comma 逗號，since I was sick 咁樣咯。咁而你見到 because 呢度話前面咧，其實就冇一個 comma 冇逗號喺前面嘅。係啦，咁啊，最主要嚟講，because since as 就係咁樣嘅一個情況。咁因果關係咧，其實仲有一款連接詞可以用嘅，就係 so 啦。so 嘅話咧，最主要嚟講咧係帶出個結果啦，可以用喺句子嘅中間啦，同埋要跟 comma 嘅。咁例子嚟講啦，你就可以話 He was tired, so he went to bed。佢好攰啦，所以佢就去咗瞓覺。咁其實 so 係指所以啦。咁啊。你可能會話啊，You are right, so I'm going to change that。你啱啊，所以我而家馬上去改。So 就係一個表示所以嘅一個連接詞嚟嘅。OK，咁啊因果關係嘅話咧，就講到呢一度啦。咁我哋下一段片咧就會同大家講一講相反同埋轉接嘅關係。咁啊記得去下載埋份筆記啦，同埋去下載埋個練習啦，然之後試下去做啦，或者一路睇 video 嗰陣時一路 take 下 notes 咁樣啦。OK，我哋下一段片再見，拜拜。